We are back with Healthy Wealthy Wives. LaVeta, Logan, how are you?
I am so awesome, Joy. We are still here in the Central Florida area. And guess what we're going to be talking about?
What are you going to be talking about?
We are going to be talking about wealthy. How to be wealthy. How to change your life. How to be your own money manager.
All right.
Yes, and that's all through financial literacy. Our free workshops that we offer.
And in between those golden nuggets, we're going to have the healthy segment and the wise segment.
And the wise segment.
Okay.
We have two excellent speakers on that.
I know that we have a surprise location coming, and
Yes,
that's going
we
to be in
do.
the end of June. But what's your phone number, LaVeta, so people can
My
call
phone
you?
number is 703 283 2662.
Awesome.
Wow, this is amazing. Be wealthy, everyone.
Okay.
Be wealthy.
Hug the pillow. I love it. I believe in you.
Yes.
See you soon.
See ya. Bye-bye.